Hey everyone, happy Friday! So today for math, you're going to get a chance to show everything you know, okay? So you're going to try and do these questions all by yourself. But if you get stuck, that's okay. You can ask someone for help, but we really want to see everything you've learned so far, okay? So let's kind of go through this real quick before you get started. Let me get out my laser pointer. I like to use that so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you see them? All right, so we're going to use this chart to help us with these first couple questions. So number 1 says count by ones. So you're going to look and see what number you have. So we have 83, so you're going to have to tell me what comes before, and then fill out the rest. Remember, we're counting by ones. Count by twos, so start at 68. Remember, you can use the chart to help you find 68. And count by twos. Okay, so count on by twos. The next one says count by fives. Okay, so what are we going to start at? That's right, 70. So let's find 70 on our chart. And you're going to count on by fives. So what comes in these blanks? All right, number 2, start at 80. So we're going to find 80 on the chart. It's right here. This one says, what is 1 more than 80? So find what 1 more than 80 is. Okay, once you find that, go back to 80. It says, what is 2 more than 80? And then once you find that, go back to 80 and tell me what 5 more than 80 is. All right, then we're going to do the same thing with 75. So we're going to find 75, which is right here. You're going to tell me what 1 more than 75 is, what 2 more than 75 is, and what 5 more than 75 is. Okay, for this one, we're going to fill in the blanks. So look at the numbers that are missing and fill in this chart for me. Okay, then up here it says Sally says 10 less than 72 is 71. Is Sally right? Use pictures, numbers, or words to show your thinking. So says 10 less than 72 is 71. So is that true? Is 71 10 less than 72? Tell me what you think and then show me, okay? And then down here, you're going to use the charts to fill in the blanks. So the first one says, blank is 2 more than 45. So what is 2 more than 45? So we're going to go to 45. What's 2 more? 47. I'll give you that one. So 47 is 2 more than 45. This one says 46 is blank more than 45. So how many more is 46 than 45? Here's 45. 1 more is 40. Yeah. Blank is 5 more than 45. So what is 5 more than 45? I'm going to let you figure that one out on your own. Okay, these questions are all kind of tricky, so it's okay if you don't know all the answers. We just want to see, we're getting smarter, and to get smarter, we have to practice some hard stuff. If you want to hear me reread the questions, remember, play through the video, and you can pause the video after I read each question to give you time to work on it. And then hit play again, and you'll hear me read the next question, okay? If you have any questions, remember, you can ask someone around you, or you can ask your teacher. Have a great weekend, first grade. Bye.